If you're an SME owner or freelancer who gets paid in US dollars or other currencies, this video is for you. Hi everyone, this is Charm again and welcome back to my channel where we talk about personal finance, entrepreneurship, and adulting how-tos. If you're an SME owner or freelancer who gets paid in USD or other currencies, this video is for you. My husband used to have international clients as a freelance writer, and when I helped him with his finances and accounting, I realized how much money he was losing on transfer fees. So today we're doing a deep dive on a platform that might help you if you have similar problems. Let's talk about Payoneer, what it is, how it works, how to set it up, and whether it's a good fit for you and your business. A portion of this video is sponsored by Payoneer, but rest assured, it is my honest opinion. So with all of that said, let's start this video. Okay, so first, let's talk about what Payoneer is. Payoneer is a multi-currency financial services platform that lets you send, receive, and withdraw money globally. It has features that really cater to SMEs, freelancers, and online sellers. It's used in over 190 plus countries and territories. It's great for businesses and freelancers paid by international clients, especially through marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr, as well as other companies across industries such as Global Medical Virtual Assistants, Task Me Quick, and Animation Vertigo. All of these customers and more have trusted Payoneer since their early days as small companies. Here's what you can do with Payoneer. First is receive payments from clients or marketplaces in USD, euros, pounds, and more. I'll flash all of the currencies on screen. Next are global payment service. So they give you a virtual multi-currency account so your clients can pay you like a local instead of creating a bank account in your client's country. Next are multi-currency accounts. You can manage your income in dollars, euros, pounds, Japanese yen, Australian dollars, etc. all in one dashboard. So if you have different clients from different countries, continents, this could be a great tool for you. Next, let's talk about the step-by-step process of making a Payoneer account. First is you have to go to their website. I will put the link here. You have to go to that link and click sign up. And then you have to choose the right option for you, either if you're an individual or if you're a company. Next is you can fill in the basic info like name, email, phone number, addresses, just your typical KYC stuff. Just a tip though, for your IDs, make sure it has your photo, address, and your date of birth. Next is to set up security questions and verification documents like uploading your valid ID, your proof of address, and etc. Next step is to link your local bank account for withdrawals. It can be linked to most banks and digital payment platforms. A tip would be to use your business email and make sure your name matches your bank details exactly to avoid delays. So I actually have a promo for you guys, care of Payoneer. New users that will register with Payoneer from today until November 15, 2025 are eligible to receive $40 cashback reward once you reach $4,000 in eligible outgoing transactions within the first 90 days. So for example, you can make an account on the last day of the promo, which is November 15, and you still get the chance to get the cashback if you reach the $4,000 outgoing transactions target by February 13, 2026, which is 90 days after November 15. So outgoing transactions examples include withdrawing to local banks or paying someone else. This is eligible for the first 1,500 signups only, so make sure you sign up now, again with this link. Full terms and conditions can be found on the landing page, so I'll link that here so that you get a chance to get the $40 cash back. Okay, now let's go back to the video. Now let's talk about the key features of Payoneer. First is global receiving accounts, again across different currencies, and it's great if you have clients in different countries. Next is that it supports major platforms like Amazon, Fiverr, Upwork, Lazada Global, healthcare VA platforms, Airbnb for property owners and managers, and etc. Next is a feature that's great if you're a business specifically and business working with different people abroad, because Payoneer can do mass payouts for companies paying multiple freelancers. Next is that it has a multi-currency management feature, of course 24-hour customer support. It has a mobile app also for on-the-go tracking. And next is their partnership with MasterCard, which gives you an option to either have a virtual or physical card for online business purchases. Okay, now let's talk about the fees. So the good news is Payoneer doesn't really charge a monthly fee, but here are the fees to watch out for. First is receiving funds from marketplaces. It's free in most cases, but not all the time, so make sure to check that. Next is receiving from clients via their credit card. So it will flash on screen, but usually this is charged to the client. Next is a currency conversion fee for transactions involving currency conversion. This is up to 3.5%. Next are bank withdrawal fees. This is around 50 pesos to 250 pesos, and this depends on your bank. Please note that fees may change. This is from their website as of August 2025. It's really best to visit their website at www.payoneer.com/about/pricing so that you can get the latest pricing and fees whenever you're watching this video. So a pro tip is to always check the fee breakdown before withdrawing or converting currencies. Now let's talk about withdrawing funds from Payoneer. Like I said earlier, you can link your local bank account to Payoneer, and once funds arrive, withdraw them in your local currency. For the processing time, most withdrawals may land in your account the same day, while some may take up to 2 business days. So take this into account whenever you're withdrawing. Make sure to do it ahead of time. Okay, now let's talk about the pros and cons. Let's do the pros first. First is Payoneer is easy to set up. You can do everything online. Another is that it's great for freelancers, remote workers, and SMEs with international clients or employees. It also supports multiple currencies, and you have the option to keep your money in either USD, Euro, or Pounds. This is handy if you want to avoid bad forex rates. As mentioned earlier, also it's compatible with major platforms like Amazon, Upwork, Fiverr, TikTok, Airbnb, eBay, etc. There's so many more. So if you work with those platforms, it's gonna be very easy for you. Next is that you are not limited with using your Payoneer account to your main client only. So for example, you created Payoneer for Upwork payouts, but later on you decide to venture into Airbnb property management or freelancing. You can use the same account for that. No one needs to create a new one. Next is that rates may be better than your local banks for receiving money directly. Next is that you can bill your clients or send invoices directly from Payoneer. No need to do it manually or use a different app. So this is a tool that's very useful for billing clients and businesses. Another is that Payoneer is used by over 5 million customers around the world, so that gives you a sense of security that it's safe and reliable. Its headquarters is in New York City, and USA is one of its biggest markets. So if you have clients in the US, chances are they've heard of or are using Payoneer. Okay, now let's talk about the cons. First con is that fees may add up, but Payoneer is fully transparent when it comes to the fees, so you can check the link here for the latest pricing details. Another con is that if you have incomplete documents, the verification process can take a few days, but this only shows that Payoneer takes their KYC process seriously, so make sure your documents are complete before submitting so that you don't run into this trouble. So, the big question today is Payoneer worth it for SME owners? If you're getting paid abroad and want a reliable, globally accepted way to receive and manage your funds, then yes, it's a pretty solid tool. Just make sure to read the fine print on the fees and link your bank account properly so you don't run into troubles withdrawing. Let me know in the comments if you're using Payoneer, if you're planning to, and don't forget about their cashback promo. $40 can go a long way. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Again, this is Charm again, and I will see you guys in my next video.